Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to turn on headphone safety on iPhone. Tap on Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under Headphone Audio section, tap on Headphone Safety. Toggle the button next to Headphone Notifications to turn it on. Also toggle the button next to Reduce Loud Sounds to turn it on. Move the slider to adjust the volume. This is how you can turn on headphone safety on iPhone. Thank you for watching.